Wolves and human have a complicated relationship. We often vilify the big bad wolf in fiction and real life, but we are also consistently fascinated by the smart social mammal, and we haven't always clashed. Our ancestors even formed an alliance with wild wolves sometimes in the late, eventually giving us unparalleled friends we now know as dogs. Despite all this history, many people don't understand wolves as well. They domesticated dogs can be very different from their wild relatives, who haven't spent millennia learning to love us. And due to decimation of wild wolves by humans in recent century, most people alive today have little or no personal experience with wolves aside from dogs. Widespread myths also distort our view of wolves from misconceptions about alpha wolves to more harmful misunderstandings about the threat wolves pose to people. Wolves can be dangerous, of course, but attacks on humans are rare, as wolves generally don't see us as a prey. In hopes of shedding more light on what wolves are really like outside fables and fairy tales, here are the few unexpected facts you may not know about these unique allies and adversaries of humanity. Fact number one. Wolves are surprisingly diverse. The word wolf unusually refers to the grey wolf, the most widespread of family and familiar wolf species still in existence. Grey wolves are widely thought to have evolved from the smaller mooseback, a now extinct canid that lived in Eurasia during a middle to late, thanks to adventurous, adaptable, and castrated grey wolves have thrived for hundreds of thousands of years across huge swaths for both and North America, where they have diverged into a wide variety of subspecies. There is still debate over how wide that variety is, with scientists dividing them into anywhere from 8 to 38 subspecies. In North America, these include the ghostly Arctic wolves, the large northwestern wolf, the small Mexican wolves, and the eastern of red wolf. Rare canids classified either as a distinct species or as a subspecies of grey wolf, with possible coyote ancestry in either cases. The Eurasian wolf is largest of several Old World subspecies and the most abundant with the largest range. Other include the northerly Thundra's wolf, the high elevation Himalayan wolf, the desert dwelling Arabian wolf, and the plain providing